Select the tip that matches the core of the foil cassette based on the desired foil width. Open the foiler case by pulling the tabs away from each other. Lift the installed tip up to release it from the case. Line up the new tip and push down until it snaps into position. Then lift the clear disc straight up and put it aside. Place the foil cassette over the center post with the foil unwinding in a counterclockwise direction. Place the clear disc over the foil cassette by aligning the hole with the color pin that matches the core of the foil. Now peel about 4 inches, 20 centimeters of liner from the copper foil. Feed the copper foil into the foil slot on the tip and the liner into the liner slot on the case. If the foil catches on the tip, gently pull on it until it releases, allowing the foil and the liner to be fully seated to the bottom of each slot. Close the case until you hear the latch click. Turn the foiler right side up, then slide the blade switch toward the foil and pull the foil across the blade to remove the excess. The foiler is ready to go to work.